We're not running here.
Good job. Good job. Good job. He's getting the idea. Goes for it a little bit, and he...
The kid's going a little too fast. I don't want him to crash.
Turn around and go the other way. Good job. Look at you go. Hi.
He stopped himself that time.
It's like I'm... Whoop. Thing goes backwards, too.
Hi.
Just say, let's go. There we go. It's like, I'm just stopping to see the scenery. Hi, what are you doing? You can tell what faces I'm making. Oh, I made you fall down. I'm sorry. Good job.
Concentration.
Does he stand up there at all?
He will. No, for some play.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Good job. I love you. Bye.